video is going to show you how to use external message select with a Citronix CI 5000 series printer. This is a connector and the wiring that we're going to be using. We're only going to be using, really on this example, one of the wires, which would be the first row in the counter. And now this connects into the board right here. We're going to be using the red wire and grounding it to the black wire, which is the ground. Alright, here's where we're going to be counting. When nothing is selected, we have all ones, as you see in count 255. When we ground the red wire, it gives us a 0, making that number 254. So we're going to create two messages with those two numbers. So if we come in here, we go under messages. Alright, and there's your counter symbol right here at the bottom. Message select, there we go. Alright, now there's one in here already. Let's go ahead and delete this. We don't need that one in there. Alright, now we're going to add. So it brings up all of our messages. We're going to go with the first message, okay? And then we hit add again. And now we tell it what number we want that to be. So we're going to go with 255. Save that. Okay, now we're going to add another one. And we call that one 254. Save. There we go. All right, we started at 255 and 254 for one reason. If the wire is not grounded to that connection on that port, that becomes a 1. So all ones with no wires being grounded at all ends up being 255. If we just ground the red wire, which is position 0, it gives us a 0111, which is 254. So next we need to go into our home key, come down, hit the menu. We're going to go to properties. We come up here to the top where it says normal, hit that, and we had message code. That means it's going to use the inputs that we send from our wiring. Go back. Alright, now if we go into our message again and we hit message codes right here. Alright, now I see it's got a little asterisk right there. That means that's one selected. We do not have any of those wires grounded, so it defaults to message 255. So if we take the black ground wire and we ground out to the red wire, which is the first digit in our binary code, that makes that a 0, meaning now we're going for 254. So if we look over under the screen, there's 254. Now I'll take that wire off. You'll see it move to 255, connect it again, 254. Okay, so that's how it's going to work. All right, so that's 254 and 255. We're going to go to 253. Now we do not ground the red wire, we just ground the white wire. And 252, we would have to ground the red and the white wire, and then that would give us 252. If you have any more questions on this topic, please give us a call. Thank you.